Hey guys, it's Atya. If you guys have been following our content for a while now, you guys know how important developer experience is to us, which is exactly why I'm super excited to show you guys the new provider creation flow. We have made a lot of changes to the UI UX to make this process extremely simple for you guys. So earlier we used to do it in 10 minutes. Now we're going to do it in 5 minutes. That's because we've implemented a lot of AI functionality into this to make it as easy as possible. So yeah, let's dive straight into it. So head over to dev.reclaimprotocol.org and create an account. And make sure you also have the DevTool app downloaded on your phone. The link is over here on the DevTool itself. So let me just go ahead and type in the session ID. So what that's going to do is it's going to open up a web browser on my phone where I'm going to enter the URL of wherever I want to take data from, which in this case is going to be kaggle.com. And you guys are going to have to give me 1 second while I'm back with logging into my Kaggle. So right now I am logged in, and this DevTool essentially has all the responses that the website gives you back. So I'm just going to search for my name and see if I can get any sort of data from here. So yeah, this API response looks like it might have some data. It has my name, my email, and my username. So let's just click on next here. And earlier I used to tell you guys that you guys need to kind of come here and click on the data points, but here you don't even need to do that. The AI already pre-configures all of these data points for you. So all you have to do is just click on whatever data point it is that you guys need and just click on accept suggestion. So I've already accepted it here. So I'm just going to click on next now. You can add as many as you want, by the way. So here I just want my username. I'm just going to click on next now. So this is a very important part. Standardize the request URL. So in very simple terms, it basically means making your static web link into a dynamic one. So I don't know if you guys have seen, but Twitter links in particular have slash and their username with them. So this is not going to work if you're making a provider that's generic. Just for you, it might work, but if you're making it for the whole entire population, they might end up creating a proof of your data, which is not something you need. So you need to make that the request URL essentially dynamic. So all you have to do is, if the link is static, you just have to click on that part of the link that is static and just click it and it'll become dynamic. So after you guys have done that, we can just click on next. And I already have the name here. So let's just get up a new login URL here. So this I think would be fine. And advanced options is, you wouldn't need to necessarily go through this if you're a first timer. If you guys need to debug, obviously, yes. This essentially has a lot of features where you can come here, check out the regex, the JSON path, make sure everything is correct. And also just specify the geolocation, because if you're dealing with providers or websites that are specific to a nation, this is something that you guys might have to take notice. And also there's something you can do that's for the user. So if you don't want a lot of messaging and want the flow to be as automated as possible for the user, you could add a JS injection, but all of them are subjected to an admin's approval, which means that your provider, you will not be able to use it unless or until we have approved it. Obviously for security purposes. So now I'm just going to click on next, where I'm going to be prompted to test my provider. And that was pretty quick. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to scan this with my mobile phone. We're close to 4 minutes here also, which is pretty fast. So I'm just going to screen share my phone and show you guys the flow right now. And that is essentially how you make a provider on Reclaim Protocol. So if you guys found this video helpful, do drop a comment on what you guys want to see next. Like the video, share to some of your friends if they have trouble making a provider. And yep, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.